Good morning. My name is Tony Payne, and this video is for all of you runners out there that have knee replacements. This is my update to let you know how I've been doing since my first video. I didn't update the video last year, but at any rate, in 2009 I had my first knee replacement, and in 2014 I had my second knee replacement. In after that second replacement, I ran my first half marathon, and I tried to find support out there on the net to what I could expect or what was going on, and I found nothing. So I thought that I would start to give support. And right now, this is my update. This video, by the way, is particularly addressed to Paige Fitzgerald, Tony Castro from California, Paige, I believe, is from Virginia, Mike from Baltimore, Linda Heron from Belgium, and Bruce Matthew from Taranga. Not certain where that is. And any others that have watched this and hopefully have gained encouragement that life isn't over after a knee replacement. But at any rate, I ran my fifth half marathon, and this is the update. Voila. So knee replacements does not necessarily mean that you're going to have a sedentary life. It was difficult, but the difficulty did not come necessarily from my knees. It came from the fact that I'm 70 years old, and my back is giving me trouble, and my muscles and hips and everything else, but the knees did fine. So at any rate, I encourage any of you out there that are wondering what's going on. We've got, especially with knee replacements, we've got close to 10 years on one knee, and it seems to be doing quite well, and we've got 5 years on another. So if you're watching this, good luck to you, and God bless you in your efforts to try to keep moving, you runners out there. And we'll have to see whether we update this next year. See if we can get another marathon in. Have a good day.